Alright, now let's look at how to create a 2D adaptive clearing program. Go to the 2D option in the top bar, and from there, select 2D adaptive clearing.
Next, we need to select the appropriate tool. The tool you choose might change based on the part you're making and the material you're using. For this operation, I'm going to select an end mill cutter. Don't forget to correctly set the parameters for that tool. You need to have knowledge about setting up the RPM for your tools based on the machine you are using. You can even select the tool holder within Fusion. Providing these details accurately will significantly reduce the chance of errors in your operation. When setting up the post processor, you must provide the tool number, so make sure you don't forget it. Next, go to Geometry. Select the chain you want to clear, just like I'm doing now. Next, go to the Heights option. Here, you can input the clearance height and retract height. The top height is where your operation starts, so select that. The bottom height is where it finishes, which you'll determine based on the part you're working on. Next, head over to the Passes option. Here, you can set the tolerance. You'll also find options like optimal load and direction that you can choose from. Additionally, you can specify multiple depths, which means your operation will run step by step. You can also set stock to leave. If you're performing a roughing operation, you'll want to leave some stock for your finishing operation. There's also a smoothing option available. Once these are set correctly, you can go to the linking option. Here, you can configure the settings to ensure a safe toolpath for your operation. If you need ramping, you can enable that here as well. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next one.